Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to help you to determine the cause of temperature problems in your refrigerator. First thing we want to determine is whether we have adequate airflow in your refrigerator. If the air is flowing freely in your refrigerator, we can eliminate the possibility of a defrost problem or a frost buildup problem in your refrigerator. If there is improper airflow in your refrigerator, you would suspect a defrost problem. If your airflow is proper, we would suspect that we have a problem with a temp sensor or a thermostat. The temperature controls in your refrigerators are located in either the freezer, the fresh food compartment, or both. Modern refrigerators use multiple sensors or thermostats to control temperatures in the freezer and the fresh food compartment, as well as in individual crispers. So depending on the model, you may have 1 to 3 or 4 different sensors to determine those temperatures. On a conventional refrigerator, the cold control would typically be located in the fresh food compartment, and it will be the control that has off marked on the control panel. And the other controls would be an electronic or a mechanical control that varies how much air is divided between the freezer and the fresh food compartment. Modern electronic refrigerators use temp sensors in various locations to monitor temperature. You may find these located in the freezer, near the ice maker, in the fresh food compartment, in crispers, or anywhere that the air is flowing from one compartment to another. Another component that may cause temperature imbalances in your refrigerator is the evaporator fan motor. The evaporator fan motor is located in the freezer compartment, and it pulls air through the evaporator, circulates it in both the fresh food compartment and the freezer compartment. If it's not working properly, you may find some temperature imbalances. If your model refrigerator uses a temp sensor, it also has an electronic control to process that information. Temp sensors are essentially thermistors. The properties of a thermistor are that they have a specific resistance measured in ohms that is related directly to the temperature that the sensor is sitting in. So using a multimeter, we could measure that resistance for each temp sensor that may be located in your refrigerator. To determine whether your temp sensor is accurate or not, you will need to contact the manufacturer to get the specifications for that particular sensor.